What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gallonman20 and welcome to another showcase video. Today's we are going to be showcasing the Bluetooth FM transmitter by Syncwire, and this one is the XC966 model. It's going to be Xavier Charles 966 model, and I'm going to show you guys how it works, what different things it has compared to the other one that I'm using, and how it is better than what I had originally. Also, thank you to Syncwire for sending this out to me. Much appreciated. But let's get into it, guys. So, first off, we're going to go and plug it in. Very self-explanatory with anything that you guys got for a Bluetooth transmitter. Plug it in. It's going to light up like that. And first things first, it's going to have the yellow tape across telling you to go to the instructional guide, but today's video is not going to be about the instructional guide. I'm going to showcase it to you personally. So, channel button, that's how you configure everything. These are your speakers. This controls bass and the lights, so if you hold down, you can turn the lights on and off. Also, the lights do sync to all the music and audio that is going on in your car. This is a channel, obviously. This is how you answer your calls. You can press down on it, and it pauses and plays your music. Left and right, toggle the audio. So if you want to switch songs or go back to a different song, you have volume up, volume down. Don't go to a max of, I believe, 30 on your volume. They said it in the instructional guide. I don't have it in front of me at the moment. But this is your charging port. This is another charging port, I do believe. And yeah, let's get into the whole syncing part of the device. So, in order to sync it, you are going to press the channel button and then swipe over to the station that has static on your radio. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Right now it is set to 87.7 because I've already done that. But in order to get a station that has static, you're just going to go over. 87.9 has static. You want to make sure that you have everything static. You don't want to have any type of audio in the background on any of those channels. So don't pick 107.1 or those normal stations that you guys listen to on a daily basis in your car. You want to make sure you go to those other stations that you may not listen to. Make sure it has static and static only, and make sure it's 87.9, or at least for mine. And I am going to press the channel button, and I'm going to go swipe over to 87.9. It's going to keep flashing until you turn your actual radio on. I turned mine off just because that way you guys can hear me. And press it, 87.9. You can hear nothing besides silence, and silence is great. Just kidding. So now we're going to go to our phone, and we are going to pull up our Bluetooth app, or just Bluetooth and settings. We're going to go here, and we're going to find the actual model number that we have for the device. It's going to be SWXC966. We're going to click on connected. It should be at the bottom for your other devices. So once you guys are connected, you guys can pull up and go to Spotify or whatever any audio device that you listen to music on. You can also listen to YouTube videos, podcast, anything, because it's all Bluetooth based. So we're just gonna go and do music, and we're going to see that the lights interact with the music that is playing. It's literally just jumping and all that. But if we go and pause the music, it just is a steady thing of the lights. But if we go and click play, it starts interacting with it again, which is pretty cool. I like it. But if you guys don't like the lights on, you can just hold the B and light button, hold it down, and the lights go off. And that should do it. The only downside to that is it doesn't have a memory thing built in. So if you guys don't like the lights on, then when you turn your car off and turn your car back on, the lights will re-engage. So if you guys don't like driving with it at night, so let's just say you got the lights on, you're driving at night and it's a distraction to you, you can turn the lights off, but let's just say you get back in your car at night, you're going to have to press that button again. So the only downside that I see is that it doesn't have the memory thing built in, which is fine. I mean, it's just a click of a button and you hold it for 2 seconds. It's not the end of the world, but it would be cool if you had it synced up to where whatever your last action was, is that it kept it. So it keeps the action of 87.9, so you don't have to change that. It's only, I wish they would keep the button to where if you don't like the lights at a certain amount of time, then you can do that. But if you want to jam out to music with the lights rolling, go for it. If that makes any sense to anybody on the internet, whatever I just explained. It's been a long day. But thank you, Syncwire, again, for letting me have this. I do appreciate it, and I will be doing another showcase video on one of their mounts that they have for your phone. That's going to be a separate video, and I'm not going to put that all in one video for this one, but I hope you guys are going to enjoy. I'm going to drop a like in the video, subscribe for more content like this one, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!